Some cities are built with bricks, others with stories. And then there's Barcelona, a place sculpted by centuries, painted by genius, and whispered into life by the wind rolling off the Mediterranean Sea. This isn't just a city, it's a living canvas. Beneath these cobbled alleys lies the footprint of an ancient Roman settlement, Barcino. 2,000 years ago, it was a small colony. Today, it still breathes in the heart of the Gothic quarter. Time has aged the stones, but not the soul. Here, past and present walk side by side, with every turn echoing a forgotten story. But what makes Barcelona unlike anywhere else is the vision of one man. Antoni Gaudí, an architect, a dreamer, a magician of stone and color. He saw the world differently, and he made us see it too. His masterpiece, the Sagrada Família, rises like a cathedral from another planet, unfinished yet timeless. And across the city, his works bloom with nature's rhythm. Waves, leaves, curves, like Barcelona herself is alive and moving. But what really makes Barcelona unforgettable is its people. Proud, poetic, resilient. They carry the city's soul in their voices, in their art, in their stories whispered across generations. In Barcelona, history isn't preserved in glass, it's lived every day. Here, life isn't rushed, it's celebrated. Barcelona moves, not in haste, but with heart. From the passion of flamenco to the joy of a simple tapas night, the city pulses with culture. La Rambla, that famous promenade, is not just a road. It's a stage where life unfolds in laughter, song, and every language on earth. It has historically served as a central hub for social life, cultural events, and markets in Barcelona. Art isn't hidden in galleries here. It spills onto walls, onto the sidewalk, into the food, and even in the silence of old bookstores. La Boqueria Market. Its official name, St. Joseph La Boqueria, hints at its rich history, a tapestry woven with the stories of generations of vendors. As you wander through the vibrant aisles, you're not just shopping, you're witnessing a living tradition, a testament to the enduring spirit of community and the simple beauty of fresh food. Then there's the sea. It kisses the shores of La Barceloneta, where fishermen once mended nets and sailors told tales. Now, it's a place of sun-kissed mornings and long, lazy afternoons. The Mediterranean isn't just a backdrop, it's part of Barcelona's rhythm. Calm, restless, free. Barcelona isn't just a destination. It's a feeling. a melody that stays with you long after you've left its shores. And like any great story, it invites you back again and again. Thank you for being here. If you enjoyed this little journey, go ahead and like, maybe even subscribe for more calm escapes like this. And hey, we'd truly love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which place you'd like to see next. Until then, keep smiling, stay happy, and please take good care of yourself.